Hey y'all, and welcome to Chandler's Southern Kitchen. Today we're cooking up a rich and delicious Cajun creamy potato soup that's sure to warm your soul. So grab your apron, come on in the kitchen, and let's get started. We're going to start with 1 pound of andouille sausage, and then we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the pot and heat it over medium heat. While the oil is heating, cut up your andouille sausage. Once the oil is hot, add the sausage to the pot, cook, stirring occasionally until it's browned. And continue stirring. And now we're building flavor. Do you see that fond on the bottom of that pot? Yummy. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of our celery to the same pot that we removed the andouille sausage from. And we're going to get that stirred around and cook for a little bit. Now we're going to add 1 cup of bell peppers, and we're going to get that stirred around as well. And what's going to happen is these vegetables are going to pick up that fond off the bottom of that pot. And now we're going to add 1 cup of onion, and we're going to continue to stir it as well. Get that cooked until those onions are translucent. Continue stirring. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to our vegetables, and we're going to get this stirred up. This is going to get us started with our roux that's going to go in our soup. Add 1 cup of water to that flour and vegetable mixture and start stirring, and it's going to thicken up and become almost like a paste. And here I have a crock pot that I have greased really well. If you don't use a crock pot liner, definitely grease your crock pot. It will help everything from sticking later. And now I'm just going to add my andouille sausage that I browned up earlier. And then we're going to add our flour and vegetable mixture that's going to help thicken our soup. And here we're going to add 2½ cups of water, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, I have a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 2 minced garlic cloves, and give that a stir. 1 tablespoon of unsalted Cajun season, and 1 small 10.5 ounce of cream of chicken. Go ahead and continue to stir. Just get it mixed in really well. One-fourth cup of chopped bacon, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, because why not? It makes everything delicious. Give that another stir. And 1 bag of diced hash browns or 2 pounds of diced potatoes, but I prefer using the hash browns because it's much easier. Give that another stir. And here we're going to add 2 dried bay leaves, which is going to give this soup awesome, amazing flavor. And we're going to get this crock pot lid on. We're going to get this cooked on high for 4 hours. In the last 30 minutes of cooking time, we're going to get 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese added to our soup, and we're just going to get that stirred up. Now add that lid back on and go ahead and finish letting that cook for the last 30 minutes. And here's your delicious Cajun creamy potato soup. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.